construction of the 9.2 km long Atal Tunnel connecting Manali with Leh, the world's longest highway tunnel about 10,000 feet, has been completed after 10 years. The estimated period of completion was less than 6 years, but it was completed in 10 years. Chief Engineer K.P. Purushothaman said the tunnel will reduce the distance between Manali and Leh by 46 kilometers. India's total coronavirus cases have increased to 50,20,359 after a single day spike of 90,123. COVID-19 death toll in the country has surged to 82,066 with 1,219 deaths in the last 24 hours, while total recoveries have reached 39,42,316. Now, the number of active cases stands at 9,95,933. A total of 11,16,842 tests were conducted on September 15. World's second richest person, Bill Gates, said the coronavirus pandemic has set the world about 25 years back in 25 weeks. Mutually exacerbating catastrophes is an apt description for COVID-19 pandemic, said Gates, explaining how government resources were diverted towards fighting the disease. Global vaccine coverage in 2020 is dropping to levels last seen in the 1990s, he added. Pune's Chirag Fellow, who scored 100 percentile and secured 12th rank in the recently announced JEE main result, has said that IIT entrance is the toughest entrance exam. Despite managing to get Massachusetts Institute of Technology MIT US, Fellow appeared for JEE for the experience of it. In the JEE held in January, Fellow had obtained 99.98 percentage. Migratory birds are dropping dead in the US, potentially in the hundreds of thousands. Experts have said bluebirds, flycatchers, sparrows, and warblers are among the species falling out of the sky as part of the mass die-off, said Martha Despont, a professor at New Mexico State University. The wildfires may have contributed to the deaths of the birds, biologists said. The 75th session of the United Nations General Assembly UNGA began virtually due to the coronavirus pandemic, the first time the meeting is being held online. Turkish diplomat Volkan Bozkurt took charge as the president of the 75th session, succeeding Nigeria's Tijani Mohammed Bande. UNGA's general debate will be addressed by more world leaders this year than ever before, Bozkurt said. Authorities in England clarified rules on face coverings after a bus passenger was spotted wearing a snake as a mask. At first, I thought he had a really funky mask on, then he let it crawl over the handrails, a witness said. An official said government guidance stipulated face coverings could be surgical or homemade masks, scarves, or bandanas. Apple on Tuesday unveiled the Apple Watch Series 6 smartwatch that can measure the user's blood oxygen level from the wrist in 15 seconds starting from $399. A new sensor shines red and infrared light into wrist and measures the amount of light reflected back to a certain oxygen level. Apple also unveiled Solo Loop Band style for a new smartwatch. World's oldest animal sperm trapped in amber 100 million years ago found. Scientists at the Queen Mary University of London and the Chinese Academy of Science in Nanjing claim they have discovered the world's oldest animal sperm. The sperm was found inside a tiny crustacean trapped in amber around 100 million years ago in Myanmar. They believe the tiny crustaceans had sex just before their entrapment in a blob of tree resin. Multiplex Association of India in a statement appealed to the government to allow theatres to reopen on an urgent basis. The association said the movie exhibition sector has lost an estimated 9,000 crore in the last 6 months. The cinema body, which represents all the multiplex chains, further said the industry has run into an extremely adverse and hostile situations. The fastest car in the world is Trust SSE. It is the first car to break the sound barrier. It reached the unbelievable speed of 1,228 km per hour in the Black Rock Desert. Fenugreek seeds tends to improve insulin resistance and helps lower blood sugar levels in diabetics. There are 106 people in the US named Harry Potter. When the restaurant is small but the owner is creative. Thank you for watching. I hope it is very useful to you. Share this